In this video, we will show you how to set up the Stepscan tile hardware. It'll involve the tiles themselves, of course, the tile interconnect boards, there in the back, the tile power supply, the router and its connections, as well as the computer that will host the Stepscan software. Let's begin by placing all of the tiles on the floor next to one another, arranged in the desired configuration. As we do so, let's leave a handbreadth of space between them. For the purposes of this video, we've selected a square-shaped arrangement. Next, we'll select a tile that is to receive the Ethernet and power inputs. Any tile can be selected for this purpose. Place the tile interconnect board with the attached Ethernet and power inputs next to any side of the selected input tile. Place the remaining tile interconnect boards between the neighboring tiles. Please note the interconnect boards should be arranged so that every tile has a connection path to every other tile, but that there are no connection loops. Now simply connect all of the tiles in the desired configuration using the interconnect boards in a Lego-like fashion. Take the router and place it next to the computer that will host the Stepscan software. Now locate the two Ethernet cables. Attach one end of an Ethernet cable to the input tile and the other end to the router. Attach one end of the second Ethernet cable to the router and its other end to the host computer. Power up the router by connecting its power supply and plugging it into the power outlet. Attach the power supply connector to the input tile. Finally, plug the power supply cable in. Lights on the power supply and the router will illuminate, and you'll be ready to begin using the Stepscan software to configure and use your Stepscan system.